Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. SSH into the server with sudo rights and ensure OpenSSL is installed. Now connect to the server and run an OpenSSL client command pointing at the domain and port. This pulls the certificate chain so you can inspect details. Once done, you'll capture the raw certificate block for parsing. Make sure to note which interface and IP the service binds to, because a mismatch causes valid certificates to appear invalid when queried. You now parse the certificate. Pipe the PEM into OpenSSL X509 NUAT text to reveal subject, issuer, SAN, validity window, and signature algorithm. This explains who issued it and which names it covers. Next, verify the certificate chain. Check each intermediate's issuer and authority key identifier to ensure proper linking. Once done, compute the fingerprint and compare against expected values to detect tampering. Make sure to examine key size and algorithms, because deprecated choices can cause clients to reject the cert. You finish by installing the verified certificate and chain on the server with correct file permissions, then restart the TLS service so it serves the new chain. After restart, test externally. Use OpenSSL client with server name for SNI and visit the site in a browser to confirm real client behavior. If problems persist, check error logs and confirm private key matches the cert, chain order is correct, and SNI is configured. One common fix is correcting chain order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.